Welcome, this is MCG Tech with a GTX 770 attempted repair. This is the first episode for a series I am starting called Hardware Repair. Because I work at an electronics recycling plant, I come across a lot of faulty technology. In these videos, I plan to try to save them from being scrapped and breathe some life into them. If you have any recommendations or tips on how to fix specific hardware, feel free to share them on the new MCG Tech Discord. In this episode, I am going to try to repair a GTX 770. When I tested this graphics card initially, the fans didn't even spin up, so I decided attempting to fix it would be worth it. Before I started taking it apart, I used a permanent marker and parchment paper to create a system to keep track of the screws. With the screw layout recorded, I began unscrewing the graphics card. I also had to unscrew the display connector post in order to pull off the bracket. With all of the unscrewing completed, I had to apply pressure to the plastic clips so I could remove the triple fan structure. With the fans out of the way, I was able to remove the heatsink, which is made up of 5 copper heat pipes and aluminum fins to help dissipate heat. With some patience, I was able to pull off the metal plate covering the card. To clean off the GPU die, I am using Q-tips and nail polish remover. I also did use a toothpick to clean out the circuitry. Now that the card is completely cleaned, I need to prepare for the oven. By baking the card, it may reset any loose solder and fix it. I am using a perforated baking sheet so the heat can reach beneath the GPU. Additionally, I made small tinfoil balls to support the 770 so hot air could reach it more comfortably. For my oven settings, I am cooking the card for 10 minutes at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Specifically, I used convection bake to ensure the card was heated on all sides. After the baking was finished, I let the 770 cool off for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I reassembled the card and put it in my car so I could test it at my job. After much anticipation, I plugged the GTX 770 in and the fan still didn't spin up. I know this episode of Hardware Repair was a bit of a bummer, but there are still plenty of components that need fixing, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also feel free to check out the rest of the content on this channel. Thank you for watching.